The project that I worked on, the idea was to really offer informal sessions that would act almost as like drop-in sessions. So someone could come in and they could have their own sort of unique question. It wouldn't matter what anyone else was doing, which meant that they could take things at their own pace, you know. So I think it was a lot more accessible for people who were even too nervous or shy to take part in, you know, in a course like Computer for the Terrified. So for a lot of people it was an excellent starting point. And of course the other advantage of doing things that way was that we could really just focus on whatever that individual wanted to learn. You know, it wasn't like I had to take them through an entire syllabus. If someone just wanted to come in and learn how to use Facebook, that's what I teach them. You know, and that would almost invariably, you know, result in them finding something else that they wanted to learn about. So, I mean, it was quite different, and it worked very, very well.
Everywhere you go now, you really can't do anything without a computer. You can't even look for work these days without a computer. The days of sort of sending your CV off and getting a phone call, they appear to be long gone, and everything is now done on the computer. While in some respects it's a good thing. Email, for example, you know, it's instant. You don't have to wait for it to wait for something to arrive in the post and wait for a reply. You can do in a matter of an hour what, you know, would take a course of a week to do before.
I could get onto the computer, but I wasn't sure, like if I did something wrong or it came up that it wasn't going to, I'd made a mistake or something. I didn't know how to correct it, you know. So, and I wanted to learn how to do emails, and I wanted to learn how to get onto the internet and be able to use a computer. My husband bought me a laptop, and I wanted to be able to feel happy using it at home, you know, and know what to do when things do go wrong, you know.
Basically, you have to push yourself. You've got to have a positive attitude. If you're negative and you think, I'm not going to be able to do this, I think you have to look around at people that you know who can use one and think, well, if they can do it, I can do it. That's the attitude you need. You've got to be positive about it. I mean, it's totally alien to me, but I mean, I've done things. I've learned to drive in my life. I've been driving 33 years. I've done other things in my life, so then I've got to have this positive attitude. Of course I can do it.